Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to make an image move in Canva. So let's just begin. Okay, so first of all, what we need to do, we actually have to go inside the videos here. And in the videos, I'll simply click here on the video. Alright, so now to make an image movable, what I need to do, I actually need to have the movable background, okay? So for that, I would actually click on the elements here. And in the elements, I will search for moon here. And it should be in the videos. Okay, so in the moon, I would actually go here with this video. Okay, so let's click here. And now if I just run the video here, so let's just mute the video at the moment. So if I just play the video now, you will be able to see that our moon is moving. Okay, so that is it. So let's just give it a space to our moon here. So I will increase the size. Okay, let's just put this here and I'll still have to increase the size here. Okay, so this is looking better. Okay, so this is looking great now. So now what I need to do, I actually have to change the transparency of it. So that would be around 27 at the moment. Okay, so now what I need to do, I can add the image on our moon background here, or we can simply add the element here. Okay, so let's click on the elements again. And here I will simply search for tree here in the graphics. Okay, so we can simply pick any tree from here. All right, so I would actually go here with this image here. All right, so let's just decrease the size of our tree here. Let's just increase the size, and I will also add this one as well. Okay, so you can see this, we have the multiple different trees here. Okay, so that is it. I think I'll put it here. All right, so I'll simply add the bench here. So let's just write down the bench, go inside the graphics here, and inside the graphic we actually have to find the black bench here. So let's just go here with this one. Okay, decrease the size of our bench. Let's just put it here, and we have to decrease the size of it. Okay, so now this is looking better, and we can also add a lot of the things. Okay, so let's just add the birds here. Okay, so let's just go here with this one, copy this, decrease the size here, and I would actually need to copy this. Okay, so this is looking fine now. And now what I need to do, I actually want to add this one as well. Okay, so let's just put it here. All right, so let's just decrease the size and put it here, and we can add these as well. Okay, so this is looking really better now. And now what I need to do, I actually want to add something here on this tree. Okay, so let's just change the position of the tree first. Now let's change the position of our birds. And here what we can do, we can put all on our tree here. Okay, so this is looking better. So let's just pick this one, and I actually have to align this with our tree here. So first of all, I have to flip this. Okay, so this is looking fine now. Decrease the size. Okay, and now what I need to do, I have to zoom the design here. and let's just scroll down. Okay, so here let's just adjust our all here. Okay, so I think I would actually put it here. Not really. Let's just try to put this here. Okay, give it a little rotation here, and this is looking better. Okay, so this is looking fine now. And now what I can do, actually I can actually add the animated animal or something that is running on our flow here. Okay, so let's just write down. Okay, so that should be running dog, or we can also go with this one. Okay, so I think I should go with this one. You got the idea here. So let's decrease the size and zoom it out a bit and put it here. Decrease the size, zoom in a bit. So now what I can do here, I can simply animate this as well. Okay, so let's click on the animate, and now we also have the option to create an animation. So let's click here, and I'll simply drag this here. So this will do the animation here. Okay, you got the idea here. So let's click on the done. Okay, so I have to change the movement here to the smooth, and we can also add the motion effects if you want to. Not really. Okay, so I think we are good here. So let's click on a done, and now let's just zoom it out. Okay, so now you can see the design here. Now what we need to do, I actually have to change the transparency of our background, so that would be 100% now. All right. Okay, so now what I need to do, I actually have to change the size of our background image here. So let's just increase the size, and now this is looking better. Okay, so let's just put it here, maybe here. All right, so now let's just click on the play. Now you can see here that our images are moving. So this is how we can create a moving image in the Canva. So in the similar way, you can create any moving image that comes up in your imagination. So this is how it can be done. You have to add the moving background, and after that you can add the elements to your moving background, and it will make the things feel like they are moving. Okay, so this is how we can create the moving image. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.